So in this question, you're given that x power m times y power n is x plus y whole power m plus n. If that is so, you're asked to prove that dy by dx is equal to y by x. Again, a very straightforward question. We'll apply log on both sides. So you have to make sure that in the final form, m and n are missing. In the final form dy by dx, there is no m and n. That's what you need to observe here. So if you apply log on both sides, you get log of x power m into y power n is equal to log of x plus y whole power m plus n. We know that powers come out, and if you have multiplication of two functions inside log, if you separate them, then convert into sum. So this implies m log x plus n log y is equal to m plus n times log of x plus y. M plus n times log of x plus y. Now let us differentiate both sides with respect to x. So if you differentiate both sides with respect to x, you get m into differentiation of log x is 1 by x. M by x plus n by y dy by dx is equal to m plus n log x plus y differentiation is 1 by x plus y times 1 plus dy by dx. So now what we do is, let us get all the terms containing dy by dx onto one side. This implies dy by dx times n by y minus of dy by dx has m plus n by x plus y is equal to, here the terms which are remaining are m plus n by x plus y minus m by x. So hope that I would be able to reach this point. So I'll take LCM on both sides. So dy by dx times n times x plus y minus m plus n times y divided by y times x plus y is equal to, so here also I'll take the LCM, m plus n times x minus m times x plus y by x plus y times x. So this x plus y and this x plus y gets cancelled. So I really hope this expression is equal to this expression once I do the simplification. So let us simplify this. So this implies dy by dx times, so nx plus ny, my minus ny. As you can see, ny and minus ny are getting cancelled. You get nx minus my. So you are getting nx minus my here by y is equal to, so here you have mx minus mx. mx and minus mx are getting cancelled. You get nx minus my. nx minus my by x. So as you can very clearly see, these two are getting cancelled. So dy by dx into 1 by y is equal to 1 by x. So if you do the cross multiplication, dy by dx is equal to y by x.